Hello guys. Yes, another quick one here, another quick one here. Um we all know that AUDUSD is in an uptrend, Hope you can see that, making series of higher highs and higher lows, higher lows, higher highs, you know. So AUDUSD is in an uptrend. So right now I want to this is the monthly time frame, so I want to move lower. I want to go lower. So we can see the big picture, what is happening. Want to see what is happening. So okay, this is the weekly. Let me switch to the daily time frame. Okay, from the daily time frame, if I should zoom this out, I'll have a trend line here. There can be a trend lines, this place, this place. All right. We can have our trend line there. And you see how the market respected the trend line. It touches quite a number of times, tested once, two, as twice. Now someone that was waiting on the trend line would have bought the third touch here before it got broken and trying to do something. So but now we don't know what is going to happen here. We don't know what is going to happen, whether this price is going to retest this trend line and bounce back. We don't know. So that's why we need to go lower. But the thing is, if you observe what the price is doing higher highs, low, breaks the high, so it can come here and come back to this low, then break the trend line up, something like that. I don't know, but that's what I'm expecting. So I need to go lower. I want to see what is happening. Yes, a quick one. I can see that a clear trend line has been developed. On the 4 hour time frame for an uptrend. A clear trend line has been developed. If you can see it with me, you will see this clear, obvious, very obvious. Look at this, very obvious trend line, very obvious. Anybody in the whole wide world can see that with me. This is the 4 hour, very obvious trend line there. Great. And yesterday we had this other one broken, this other one downward trend line broken. Okay, look at that. Anybody else can see that with me? Okay, so it got broken yesterday. So what do you think? This price should, from this place, bounce to retest this in order to move. Okay, but what is bouncing this price? What is bounding this price from here? We need to know that thing. What's bouncing? Okay, I've seen is a resistance somewhere here. This resistance is bouncing that price back, so you can bounce it back to here, then we break above and move to this other high. I hope you can see what I'm doing there. Very great. So what do? We put our resistance there, put our resistance area there. Great. That's how to do it. Yeah, that's how we do it. We do it like that. Okay, so what are we expecting? We are expecting price to, you know, just bounce back here to retest this trend line, and then from there gives us a signal. We buy it up all the way, up. Yes, we buy it all the way up. So that's what I'm expecting. So this trend line used to scatter. If you are using phone, it will scatter on the lower time frame. So I will make these ones non-visible to the lower time frame, like lower time frame. Okay, I'll make it non-visible to the lower time frame. Okay. I'll make it non-visible to the lower time frame. I'll make it non-visible to the So make it non-visible, non-visible. Okay, okay, all right. So you can go to the 30-minute time frame so that you will be able to catch the price when it is going to move. So you can draw another 30-minute time frame trend line there. That was what we saw on the 4 hour. This is what we saw on the 4 hour. So I want to draw it on the 30 minutes. So I will not, I will be, because if you are using phone, the 30-minute time frame will align with the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes. So I want to take my trade on the 15 5 or even 1 minute. So that's why I'm drawing it up to this point, up to 30 minutes, so I can be able to take my trades and minimize my stop loss. So that is it. This was the trend line that was, sorry about that, it was the trend line that was broken yesterday. This is it, what I drew on the 4 hour that you also saw. Okay, that was it, that was it, that was it, that was it. Okay, all right. So same thing, we are expecting price to bounce back here, somewhere here, give us a reversal signal, then we move on. So that is it. So all we have to do now is just to make sure that we follow the price back to back and see what it will do. Please, if you are seeing this video on YouTube, my YouTube channel, if this is your first time of watching my video, click on the subscription button, on the notification bell, and thumbs up the video on the notification bell, so that you will always be updated anytime I post a new video. And I will post the after analysis of this. If you are watching it on the YouTube, I will post after analysis so that you can see whether it worked or it did not work. That is how I do my own. Okay, that is how I do my thing. Okay, thank you very much. See you.